so he knows this business inside and out.
Hey, Brandon Simmons here. I want to tell you that 2020 is going to be an awesome year, okay? Look, I got some free training for you because I love you. I want to help you out. I've been wholesaling for over, 7 years now? 9 years? Wow, it's been that long. I've wholesaled over 400 properties. I was a COO of Sean Terry's company, where we were able to wholesale over $1 million worth of properties and fees every single year, year in, year out, for over 4 or 5 years. I want to tell you some of the secrets that I've learned. So what I've done is I've created some free training. Okay, that's right, free. Don't worry about your credit card right now. Just go watch this. All you have to do is click on the link below, check out the free webinar. This is free training. And what I'm going to show you is how to build a huge buyer's list. By the way, don't tell anyone, but this is the secret that all the gurus do not want to tell you. This is the secret sauce. They don't want you to know how to have a huge buyer list. They want you to bring all your deals to them. So I'm going to show you how you can build a huge buyer's list, how you can have deals brought to you week in, week out on an automatic basis. This is how I do business every single month in my business. Okay, imagine having $20,000 popping in your account every single month without having to do any meeting with sellers, without having to negotiate any deals, and all you have to do is find a buyer, put them together with the wholesaler that's a friend of yours, and voila, you make some money. Check out the free training below. Happy 2020. Thanks for watching.